went down to my convenient local store, searching for another eternal light. They came in so many cyber colors. I knew mine from all the others. Clicked right away, she was just my type. Lit my cigar, she lit my pipe. But then one day my love was spurned, 'cause I clicked and I clicked, but she would not burn. Made of plastic. When will I learn? Where were you born? Plastic. Come on, get plastic, brother. Took that big out to my compost pile. I stuck it in the hot heap and walked away with a smile. I came back in a month or two. It was still brand new, it was still bright new. I said, my God, what am I gonna do with this plastic? When will I learn? Where were you born? Eat mine! You used to be a green swamp by a blue sea, soaking up sunshine, growing up trees. You used to be 1 mile beneath the ground, deep inside your mother's womb. Plastic. When will I learn? Where were you born? Plastic. Come on, Ian, you ain't plastic. Come on, Rob. I was determined to rip those carbon bonds. I was going to send this blue brick back to her mom. So I stoked up the wood stove, it was burning bright. I mean hot, man, hot, 850 Fahrenheit. I tossed it in and I closed the door, and I lay back on the couch and I began to snore. And I began to dream. I had the strangest, most disturbing dream. I had a dream about bacon on the griddle, and I woke up to a nasty sounding sizzle, and my nose was asking me a nonsense from your riddle, singing plastic. Why do you smell so funky when you burn? I'm plastic. Where were you born? When will I learn? And why do you smell so funky when you burn? I'm plastic. I love and hate you, plastic. Can't live without plastic. Don't turn to dirt, plastic. Oceans full of plastic. Guitars made of plastic. Food wrapped up in plastic. I love and hate you, plastic. Can't live without plastic. Plastic, plastic. I'm plastic. All right, that was for